Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to empty all your trash emails in your Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so of course you'll need to log into your Google account and then go to Gmail, mail.google.com, and then click more on the left side part of your screen and then click trash. So all you have to do in order for you to click all of the emails that you have moved to trash or deleted is click empty trash now. As you can see, messages that have been in trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted, but if you want to empty your trash, all you have to do is click this one. So let's click it. And as you can see, you will be shown a confirming message. Confirm deleting messages. This action will affect all conversations in trash, and just click OK. And as you can see, all conversations from that you have included in the trash bin or messages have been deleted. There are no conversations in trash as of the moment. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!